Alright, we're going to do the tear down of the Stevens 320. Already took the barrel off. It's an 18 inch, about 18 and a half. I cut it down. I still have to order the sights for it. Pull the pin out there. There's the trigger assembly. If you're going to clean one, this is how you clean it. And you take there's the pump, slide, and there's the firing pin and spring. I've already cleaned this one, so I just wanted to do a tear down. There's the bolt. It just rests on top of the slide rails. To assemble it, you do the same thing. Trigger assembly. Slide or the pin for the trigger assembly. Barrel. There it is, and as you know, I cut this one down, so here's how you measure the barrel. You go down the barrel to the breech block, take a measurement. This one is 18 and a half inches, the barrel. So there you have it. That's the Stevens Model 320, which is now a home defense version. I got the sights ordered, or I'm getting ready to order the sights that go on top of the vent rib, which actually it's a shotgun. You really don't need sights, you know, just look down the vent rib. But there's what it looks like after I cut it down. All right, I appreciate you watching.